Mbote na bino pe boyei malamu na lingala kitoko. Lelo tokoyekola ba verbe ya tango eleki to ba verbe na temps passé na lingala. Lelo tokoyekola mwa ba verbe ya tango eleki na lingala. Nazali molakisi na bino Jeke Chwanenai. Hello everyone and welcome to Lingala Kitoko. Today we're going to learn the verbs in the past tense in Lingala. Today we shall learn some verbs in the past tense in Lingala. I'm your Lingala teacher, Jeke Chwanenai. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. Grab your notebook and pen, please have a seat. Ba verbe ya tango eleki na lingala. To ba verbe na temps passé na lingala. The verbs in the past tense in lingala. Verbe ya mboto ya liboso. The first verb is ko vanda toko fanda, to sit. Na vandaki, ovandaki, avandaki, evandaki, tovandaki, bovandaki, bavandaki. To na fandaki, ofandaki, afandaki, efandaki, tofandaki, bafandaki, bofandaki. Nabandeli, I repeat. Na vandaki, I set. Ovandaki, you set. Vandaki, he or she set. A fandaki, it set. To vandaki, we set. Bo vandaki, you set in plural. Ba vandaki, they set. Yami bale, kotelema. The second verb is to stand up. Na telemaki, o telemaki, a telemaki, e telemaki, to telemaki, bo telemaki, ba telemaki. Na bandele. Na telemaki, I stood or I stood up. O telemaki, you stood or you stood up. A telemaki, he or she stood or stood up. E telemaki, it stood or it stood up. To telemaki, we stood or we stood up. Bo telemaki, you in plural stood or stood up. Ba telemaki, they stood or stood up. Let me start. The third verb is kolia, to eat. Naliaki, oliaki, aliaki, eliaki, toliaki, boliaki, baliaki. Nabandeli. Naliaki, I ate. Oliaki, you ate. Aliaki, he or she ate. Eliaki, it ate. Toliaki, we ate. Boliaki, you in plural ate. Baliaki, they ate. Yamine, the fourth verb is kolela. Kolela, to weep or to mourn. Nalelaki, olelaki, alelaki, elelaki, tolelaki, bolelaki, balelaki. Nabandele. I restart. Nalelaki, I wept. Olelaki, you wept. Alelaki, he or she wept. Elelaki, it wept. Tolelaki, we wept. Bolelaki, you in plural wept. Balelaki, they wept. Yamitano, the fifth verb is kokende, to go. Nakendaki, okendaki, akendaki, ekendaki, tokendaki, bukendaki, bakendaki. Nabandele. Nakendaki, I went. Okendaki, you went. Akendaki, he or she went. Ekendaki, it went. Tokendaki, we went. Bokendaki, they you employer went. Bakendaki, they went. Ya motoba, the sixth verb is ko senga, to ask, to request, to demand, all of that. Ko senga. Nasengaki, osengaki, asengaki, tosengaki, bosengaki, basengaki. Nabandeli. Nasengaki, I asked, I requested, I demanded. Osengaki, you requested, you demanded, you asked. Asengaki, he or she requested, demanded, or asked. Tosengaki, we requested, demanded, or asked. Bosengaki, you employer demanded, requested, or asked. Basengaki, they asked, demanded, or requested. Yasambo, the seventh verb is kolata, to put on or to wear. When come to now, kolata elamba, kolata sapato. When it comes to wear or to put on clothes or shoes. Kolata, nalataki, olataki, alataki, tolataki, bolataki, balataki. Nabandeli. Nalataki, I put on or I worn. Olataki, you worn. Alataki, he or she worn. Tolataki, we worn. Bolataki, you employer worn. Balataki, they worn. Yamwambe, the eighth verb is kolongola, to remove. Kolongola, to remove. Nalongolaki, olongolaki, alongolaki, tolongolaki, bolongolaki, balongolaki. Nabandele. I repeat. Nalongolaki, I removed. Olongolaki, you removed. Alongolaki, he or she removed. Tolongolaki, we removed. Bolongolaki, you employer removed. Balongolaki, they removed. Yalibua, the ninth verb is kotika, kotika, to leave or to let it go, to leave, to let it go, to leave, yeah. Natikaki, otikaki, atikaki, etikaki, totikaki, botikaki, batikaki. Nabandele, I repeat. Natikaki, I left. Otikaki, you left. Atikaki, he or she left. Etikaki, it left. Totikaki, we left. Botikaki, you employer left. Batikaki, they left. Yazomi, the 10th verb is koya, to come. Koya. Nayaki, oyaki, ayaki, eyaki, toyaki, boyaki, bayaki. Nabandele, I repeat. Nayaki, I came. Oyaki, you came. Ayaki, he or she came. Eyaki, it came. Toyaki, we came. Boyaki, you employer came. Bayaki, they came. Bandakisa. Now, bet some more examples. Now, I'll give some examples from about verb zom auto yokoli. One example for each 10 verbs we just learned. Koya, to come. Like this example. Nayaki na matanga na bino. Nayaki na matanga na bino. I came to your funeral. Kovanda, to sit. Or to sit down. Let me emphasize on this. In Lingala, we have two ways to say to sit. One is with F, Kovanda. Listen careful. Kovanda and Kovanda. Nanga tozala deux sortes le longue mi bale ya ko loba to conjuguer verbe kovanda tozala moko bazala na F Kovanda mususu na V Kovanda. Okay. Example for each. Nafandaki naikala. Nafandaki naikala. I sat at the bar. Lobi nafandaki naikala. Yesterday I sat at the bar. Or I sat yesterday at the bar. Ekala, that is the bar. Now with V, Kovanda. Na vandaki na ba master. Bueno, to vandaki na se ya nzete ya manga. Na moi to vandaki na se ya nzete ya manga. Na pesi des exemples. I give two examples. Na vandaki na kelasi ya mibale to vandaki na moi na se ya nzete ya manga. The first example, na vandaki na kelasi. I sat in the classroom. The second one, ya mibale, to vandaki na moi na se ya nzete ya manga. At noon, we sat under the mangoes tree. Nzete ya manga, mangoes tree. Verb kolongola. The verb to remove. Nana longola ki porte-monnaie nga na mesa. Nana longola ki porte-monnaie nga na mesa. Who removed my wallet on the table? Na chaki porte-monnaie nga na mesa. Nana longola ki. I put my wallet on the table. Na who remove it? Nani alongola ki. Who remove it? Msuza ki verb kolela. Another one was the verb to cry or to weep or to mourn. Raisa alelaki makasi tango Yeremi akenai kotanga na mputu. Raisa alelaki makasi tango Yeremi akenai kotanga na mputu. Raisa wept or she mourned or she cried so much when Jeremiah went to study abroad or in Europe. Alelaki, she wept, she cried, or she mourned. Yo, that's it. You have just learned some verbs in the past tense in Lingala. If the today lessons, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share with others. Oriko sikaba verb na tang oele kito na ta passé na Lingala. Ceux qui l'étaient tout le seul CPCO, aimez, partagez, commentez, puis abonne-toi. I will see you next time.